Hello guys, welcome to Caan Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we are going to learn how to apply for a national ID for someone who just turned 18. Yeah, maybe your child just turned 18 or you care for a child who just turned 18. They need a national ID to be able to access various government services in their life moving forward. So this application needs to be made from the parent's eCitizen account or the guardian's eCitizen account. Since the child or the person just turned 18, they don't have an eCitizen account, so they can't use their own account to apply for their own national ID. You need a national ID to have an eCitizen account. So make sure you're using the parent's account or the guardian's account, who can apply for anyone. So a parent, like I said, a guardian, a sibling, or a teacher. Those are the people who can apply for a national ID for a child who just turned 18. You can also choose another category if you belong in another category, as long as you have a eCitizen account. So to get started, go to ecitizen.go.ke and click on sign in. Enter your login details, that is your email address or ID number, and your password, then click on sign in. In case you have forgotten your password, you can always reset by clicking on forgot password. You are going to log into the eCitizen portal, confirm that the account details are yours. Scroll down and click on National Registration Bureau, NRB. It's the department in Kenya that is in charge of registering persons in Kenya, that is giving you a national ID. Proceed with your personal account if you face the account switcher page. Confirm by clicking on continue. This is the landing page of the National Registration Bureau. This is how it looks like. Like I said, they're in charge of secure identification in Kenya, that is assigning you a national ID and giving you a unique ID number. So to get started, click on sign in. Click on login with eCitizen. So these are some of the services that NRB offers. Not previously registered person. This is a child or a person applying for a new national ID. You can also apply for a duplicate ID in case you lost your identity card. You can also change the particulars of your ID. Maybe you got a new name or changed your name, or the date of birth was wrong, or some other error. You can also request for an identification printout and also issuance of civil servants identity card for civil servants. So to register for a new national ID for your child or the person you're caring for, click on Not Previously Registered NPR. Now, like I said, the process is online. So first you fill the details. After that, you pay. A new national ID costs 350 Kenyan shillings. After payment, you print out your invoice and you go to the nearest NRB office or Huduma Center near you to complete the process. So this is a very vital document, like a birth certificate. You just don't print it out on your printer or in a cyber cafe somewhere. Okay, you go to the Huduma Center or the nearest NRB office with the invoice that you will generate after finishing the application process, so that your biometrics can be taken and your photo, and you can complete the process. Once the national ID is ready, you are going to receive an SMS and an email to go collect it. So once you read the instructions, click on next. The first section is the parent or guardian's details, the person who is applying for the child. So it's going to auto-populate the details from the eCitizen account. The only thing you have to do in this section is choose your relationship to the child you are applying the ID for. So who can apply for an ID for a child? A father's eCitizen account, a mother's eCitizen account, a sibling's eCitizen account, a guardian's eCitizen account, or a teacher or any other person. Of course, if you choose other, you're going to have to specify what does other mean. So once you choose the relationship to the child, click on next. Now, the next step is the applicant details, the details of the child that you're applying their ID for. So enter their full names, also enter their phone number, and also enter their email. You can open an email for them, but email and certificate number are not mandatory, but just enter them to be safe. Once you enter all the required details, click on next. Now, the next step is to choose your preferred county where you are going to collect your ID from and also complete your application process. So choose the county you are in, the sub-county, and also the registration office that's near you. It can be a Huduma Center or an NRB office near you. From the choices that are going to be given, just look for the one that is nearest you and choose it for your convenience. For example, assuming I'm in Nakuru County, so I'm going to choose assuming the child is in Nakuru County, I'm going to choose the county Nakuru. Nearest sub-county is Subukia, and the registration office nearest to the child or applicant is Subukia. So I just choose that and then click on next. So once you do that, you're going to check the declaration, confirm that you have given accurate and true information to the best of your knowledge. Once you do that, click on preview to see the information that you have filled to ensure that it's correct, and you can make any changes at this step in case you see something wrong. After that, once you submit your application, you pay a fee. It's 350 Kenyan shillings, and you also book a date when you'll be going for the biometrics or to complete your application. So once you do that, you'll receive an email and an SMS once the ID is ready so that you can go collect it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Today we learned how to apply for a national ID for your child or the child you're caring for in Kenya once they reach 18 and above. My name has been Catherine. This is Caan Tech Foundation. Until next time, bye-bye.